Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Ashifuzzaman, Senior Lecturer, English Department, Milestone College. Welcome you all on behalf of Milestone College. Milestone College was established in 2002. Colonel Nur Nabi Sir is the founder principal of Milestone College. Now he is the advisor of Milestone College. Colonel Nur Nabi Sir is called the teacher of the teachers. Under his leadership, at present, Milestone College has become one of the leading colleges of Bangladesh. Let's start our class.
Dear students, today we will study English for today. Unit 2, Greatest Scientific Achievements. Lesson 1, Some of the greatest scientific achievements of the last 50 years. This is the second page of lesson 1. You had better take a screenshot of this page so that later on you can study. We have some new words. Appearance, the way that someone or something looks. Strata means a level or class to which people are assigned according to their social status, education or income. Vendor means a person or company offering something for sale, especially a trader in the street. Urbanite means a person who lives in a town or city. Prevalence, the fact or condition of being prevalent. Commonness. Impact means a marked effect or influence. Satellite means an artificial body placed in orbit round the earth or moon or another planet in order to collect information or for communication. Commence means to begin. Incorporate means to include. Transistor means a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signals and electrical power. Surveillance means close observation. Explore means to travel through an unfamiliar area in order to learn about it. Cell phones, here you see, nowadays it is seen in everybody's hand. Here you see a mobile phone of 800 years old. Let's go to our passage now. Cell phones. Phones have been around since the late 18th centuries. But cell phones made their appearance only in the 1990s. Today, by some estimates, more than 100 million people in Bangladesh and more than 4.6 billion people worldwide have mobile phones. Anything that is useful and spreads so fast has to be considered one of the greatest inventions of all time. Just 2 decades ago in Bangladesh, even landlines were difficult to obtain, let alone mobile phones. Today, people from all social strata use cell phones, from street vendors to business executives in luxury cars, and from villagers to urbanites. Since May 2015, Bangladesh joined its South Asian neighbors India and Pakistan on the list of countries with 100 million or more mobile users. The other countries on the list are China, Russia, Brazil, the United States, Indonesia, Japan, Germany, the Philippines and Nigeria. Dear students, around late 18th centuries, phones have been available, but cell phones were available only in the 1990s, and by some estimates, now more than 100 million people in Bangladesh and more than 4.6 billion people worldwide have mobile phones. Whenever anything spreads so fast, people consider it as one of the greatest inventions of all time. You see, just 2 decades ago in Bangladesh, even landlines were difficult to obtain, but nowadays mobile phone is very much available. In Bangladesh today, people from all social stratas use cell phones. You see in the street, you will see the people, street vendors using mobile phones, even hawkers using mobile phones, and business executives in luxury cars, villagers to urbanites. Everybody is using mobile phone. Since May 2015, Bangladesh joined its South Asian neighbors India and Pakistan also. So Bangladesh joined its neighboring countries on the list of 100 million or more mobile phone users. And the other countries on the list are China, Brazil, United States, Indonesia, Japan, Germany, Philippines, Nigeria, etc. Personal computer. As it appears today now. Then the personal computer today, we take for granted that we have one machine that allows us to access the internet, do word processing, use a calculator, watch TV, play games and do a host of other things. Now, you think that computer was from the very beginning and you take it for granted. But actually, it was not in the past times. But the personal computer only became available to consumers in 1974. Things really took off when Microsoft Windows was introduced in 1985, and it's a good idea that it was nice. It was since without the prevalence of personal computers, the internet would not have had nearly as big an impact as it has ever since. That means without the introduction of Microsoft Windows in 1985, internet, it was not possible for internet of being so prevalent. So we see that internet, computer, calculator, TV, all these have brought great changes in our society. Communication satellite. You see here one communication satellite. Here you see the first Telstar satellite. Telstar satellite is used for communication. The first communication satellite. People on Earth may take for granted today's high-tech world of cell phones, GPS, and the satellites high above the planet that make instant communication possible. But it all began 50 years ago with one giant space balloon. 10 July 1962 marked the birth of satellite communications. On this day, the Telstar satellite commenced its journey into space and became the first ever active communication satellite. It carried the first live transatlantic TV broadcasts. Telstar was built by a team at Bell Telephone Laboratories in USA and incorporated many innovations such as the transistor and the 3600 solar panels that powered the satellite. Telstar produced 40 notes and relayed its first and non-public television pictures on 11 July 1962. The satellite could carry 600 voice calls and one black and white TV channel from an egg-shaped orbit. Today, we use satellites for GPS, TV, radio, weather tracking, military surveillance, space exploration, and global communications, among other things. As it was said earlier, here also at the very beginning said the same thing. People on this earth today, they take many inventions as granted. They think that it was from the very beginning it was available. But only 50 years ago, these inventions became available. And in 1962, 10 July, this day is marked as the birth of satellite communications. On this day, Telstar satellite commenced its journey into space, and it carried the first live transatlantic TV broadcast. Earlier, it was not possible. Transatlantic TV broadcast was not possible. With the help of Telstar satellite, first TV broadcast, transatlantic TV broadcast was possible. Telstar was built by a team at Bell Telephone Laboratories in USA and incorporated many innovations such as transistor and the 3600 solar panels. It used 3600 solar panels. Telestar produced 14 watts and relayed its first and non-public television pictures on 11 July. On 11 July, Telestar produced its first non-public television pictures. The satellite could carry 600 voice calls and one black and white TV channel from an X-shaped orbit. And today we use satellite for GPS. GPS means Global Positioning System. TV, radio, weather tracking, military surveillance, space exploration and global communications, among other things. You have some home activities. You have to study the passages, you have to learn the new words, and you have to answer the questions. By 2015, how many countries in the world had 100 million or more mobile users? Another question is, what is the most important function performed by the Telestar satellites?
I hope all of you have attended today's class attentively. You will study today's lesson. Still, if you have any doubt, anytime you can ask your subject teacher. Again, thank you all.